So most people solve this question like 25 minus 10 is equal to 15. Then 5 multiply 3 is equal to 15. So 15 divided by 15 is equal to 1. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. And here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. In this question, we have one subtraction, one division, and one multiplication. So first we have to solve multiplication and division, and both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this division. Is equal to 25 minus, now 10 divided by 5 to multiply 3. Now according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. Okay, so is equal to 25 minus, now 2 multiply 3, 6. So 25 minus 6 is equal to 19. Okay, so the correct answer is 19.